Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by installing and opening Jio Photos, then sign in with your Jio ID. Once done, give the app storage and camera permissions so it can access and upload images. Without these permissions, sync will fail. Make sure cellular or Wi-Fi is active. Use Wi-Fi for large libraries. Now tap the account menu to confirm your profile and storage quota. This is why you signed in. It links your device to your cloud account and readies automatic backup. You now configure backup and sync settings so photos move to your Jio cloud. First, enable backup and sync and decide whether uploads happen on Wi-Fi only or also on cellular. This controls data use. Next, select which folders or albums to include because selective sync prevents clutter. Then pick upload quality. Original preserves detail, optimized saves space. Finally, initiate a manual backup to test. Watching the progress ensures files are being uploaded correctly and linked to your account. Finish by verifying that your photos appear in the cloud gallery from a second device or the app's web view. This proves the connection worked. Once verified, enable auto sync for new captures and set a backup schedule that fits your habits, such as daily. If something goes wrong, first check app permissions, available cloud storage, and network stability. These are the common causes. If issues persist, sign out and sign back in, then retry the manual backup. That often refreshes the connection and resolves errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.